Join us on the Rogue Valley Farm Tour. "28 farms and ranches in Jackson and Josephine counties."
Welcome to Siskiyou Seeds in Williams, Oregon.
Sunday, July 16th, 2023, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Welcome to True Vineyard.
Welcome to Dunbar Farms.
Welcome to Rested Gate Farm here in Central Point, Oregon.
Welcome to Itty Bitty Acres.
I'm Joe, and this is Susie Janae at Plaisance Ranch. We look forward to seeing you all here on the farm tour day and give you a little glimpse of what we do here.
Learn more at roguevalleyfarmtour.com.